A smoky and fast-growing wildfire in windy Southern California has prompted multiple evacuation orders and warnings. The Springs fire broke out at around 11 a.m. on April 3rd, and by 3:30 p.m. had grown to 4.45 square miles, 11.5 square kilometers. The cause of the fire east of Moreno Valley in Riverside County is under investigation. It was not immediately known how many households are under evacuation warnings or orders. The fire was burning in a populated, but not densely so, unincorporated part of Riverside County in a recreational area near the city of Moreno Valley, which has a population of roughly 200,000. The city is 10 miles, 16 kilometers, southeast of Riverside and 64 miles, 103 kilometers east of Los Angeles. Alex Izaguirre, a spokesperson for the CAL FIRE Riverside County, said the wind is spreading the smoke, prompting concerned calls from residents in neighboring cities who can see and smell the smoke. The National Weather Service issued a wind advisory for San Bernardino and Riverside County valleys through Saturday afternoon, with gusts of up to 50 mph, 80 kph expected. Tree limbs could be blown down, and a few power outages may result. The advisory read,
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to Mirror Now.